either enjoy it or not. Winter is here.
Winter is here.
Knowing some words and phrases in Slovak for this season can really help you survive in it. Today, in Linguarte, we'll show you some of the most used. Download a document with this lesson on the link in the description. Let's start! Začíname! Some basic vocabulary of winter, zima, is the following. December, január, február. Snow, sneh, snowflake, snehová vločka, frost, mráz. Ice, ľad. Cold, chladno. Fireplace, krb. To snow, snežiť. To freeze, mrznúť. Christmas, Vianoce. New Year, Nový rok. Christmas tree, vianočný stromček. Snowman, snehuliak. Skis, lyže. Skiing, lyžovanie. Ice skates, korčule. Ice skating, korčuľovanie. Sledge, sánky. Snowball fight, guľovačka. To describe the weather during the winter, you can use the following description. It's snowing, sneží, or padá sneh. It's cold, je chladno, or je zima. It's freezing, mrzne. There is a lot of snow, je veľa snehu. The wind is blowing, fúka vietor. It's slippery, je to šmykľavé. Among the very needed winter clothes we have winter jacket, zimná bunda, scarf, šatka, gloves, rukavice, winter hat, čiapka, coat, kabát, boots, čižmy. Some typical phrases for winter are: winter is here. Zima je tu. I wanna build a snowman. Chcem stavať snehuliaka. Let's go skiing. Ideme na lyžovačku. It's time for hot chocolate. Je čas na horúcu čokoládu. Dress warmly. Obliekaj sa teplo. Obleč sa teplo. Merry Christmas. Šťastné a veselé Vianoce. Happy New Year. Šťastný nový rok. Don't forget your gloves and hat. Nezabudni si rukavice a čiapku. Now it's time to practice. Try to say the following winter words in Slovak language. Sledge. Sánky. Ice. Ľad. Fireplace. Krb. Well done! Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this topic. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!